Congratulations, you have made it all the way to our last video, number 6 on the Theraband. Now I'm not sure if you've all heard of a Theraband. A Theraband, as shown in this picture, is a nice elastic piece of material which when stretched adds some resistance like a strengthening aid to your routine. I use them a lot in the clinic and I love them. I use them from anywhere from my Pilates classes to post-rehab surgery exercises. All they do is add a little bit of extra resistance to the similar routines and similar exercises we were doing in previous videos. Really great tool to add to a routine. They range in colour and they range in resistance. Most people will be about a red or a green, the green being slightly more difficult than the red. So let's start with these 4 exercises. Exercise number 1, the bicycle kick out. Lying on our back with our feet on the ground, place the band around the soles of your feet. Hold the band in your hands. From here, turn your core on, breathe in, and raise your legs up slightly off the ground. From here, straighten one leg out as far as it can go, and then slowly bring it back to the starting position as you breathe out. Then alternate the band to the other foot and complete the same exercises. Repeat this 10 times with each leg. Really important again to keep that core switched on the whole time and control your breathing. Exercise number 2, the twist rotation. Sitting up with your legs slightly bent, place the band between your big toes. This gives it a better anchor of which to do the movements. Turn your core on, breathing in, and start to lean back. As you lean back, rotate your body around to one side. You'll feel the band apply resistance which you have to overcome. Again, lean back to your comfortable point and then slowly come back to the center as you come up. Alternate sides and try and repeat approximately 10 times. Really important again, you don't use momentum. As shown, you don't want to be coming back too far and then have to use momentum to come up. Makes the exercise too easy. Exercise number 3, reaching for the sky. Lying on our back with our legs bent up, place the band under our arms. Hold the band in our hands, either through the thumb or in the palm. Turn your core on, breathe in, and then slightly raise your chest off the ground, your back off the ground as you reach those arms as far up as you can go. Nice and slowly coming back down. Again, this is a nice, slow, controlled movement. As shown now, you don't want to be using momentum to try and get that extra bit further. It's actually going to do your back a little bit of harm and make the exercise easier. Number 4, lunges with a lateral raise. This is an excellent exercise. Really good for your core, really good for your legs, really good for your arms. A whole body exercise. Stand with your feet nice and wide apart. The tram track position. Both feet should be facing forward. Place the band under the sole of the front foot, holding it in your hands. From here, turn your core on, breathe in, and lunge down. As you lunge down, you're dropping your back knee into the ground. As you do that, I want you to raise both arms out to the side with your arms straight to about shoulder level, and then return back to the starting position. Repeat 5 times on each leg, alternating after the 5. What I don't want to see is that knee coming further forward over that front foot. Just like in the squat, that's going to cause your knee some further damage and not activate the right muscles which we're looking to activate. And there's those 4 Theraband exercises. And that's the last of our educational videos for this session. I hope you have enjoyed these videos just as much as I have presenting them to you. It was fun doing these exercises and I hope you have fun completing them. Just remember, your body's your tool which you carry through the rest of your life with you. It should be a fun and rewarding experience to exercise and use those muscles. If you have any questions or comments, please don't hesitate to contact me. My name's Simon Woodhouse. Be sure to look out for my other videos on learning fever, and I'll see you next time.